Hi there, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll be discussing what Power BI is, and it is a video for beginners of Power BI. So again, Power BI is a business intelligence tool developed by Microsoft to help create reports and create insights for your stakeholders. So as a data analyst, you will be particularly interested in this tool. So after analyzing your data and you want to create a report to visualize your report, your insight as a form of storytelling to your stakeholder, Power BI is a tool to use. So let's dive right in. So we're starting with understanding the types of or versions of Power BI, their use cases, their licensing type, and how to set up your account. So again, on the screen you will see something like Power BI Desktop. So this is an opening page or the interface for the Power BI Desktop. And to guess right, Power BI Desktop is a type or a version of Power BI. So let's start with this version called Power BI Desktop. So this is a free Windows-based report builder. So to create your report or your visualization in Power BI, you can use this Power BI Desktop for free to build your report, and it's localized for your specific need, for its user specific needs, and it's on your laptop. It's not available for collaboration. If you're familiar with Microsoft tool, you understand, for example, Microsoft Word, there's one residing on your desktop, there's one in the cloud where other people can join you and collaborate, you can share, and people can only use the desktop version when you log in into your local machine, your laptop. The same thing with Power BI Desktop. So it has a lot of features where you can do data modeling, clean your data, transform data. We get that in details, but yeah, this is a type of Power BI that resides on your desktop and is not available for collaboration, and is tailored to specific user needs. So of course others are tailored to specific user needs, but this is like localized on your system. So I'll go to the second version, which is Power BI Service, and that's the equivalent of the online platform. So when you see Word Online and stuff like that, Power BI Service is the one available publicly for people for sharing and collaborating on reports, and you can publish your whatever reports or visualization you've created in here to the cloud for people to see, and that's where it goes to Power BI Service. You will need to create an account to be able to use that as well. So I'll go to the third version, which is the Power BI Pro. So this is a paid license for type for secure collaboration and sharing. So unlike the Power BI service, it's also secured, but it's publicly available for people to see your reports and underlying data. So the paid version is a Power BI Pro, where you have to pay for the licensing. And we'll go to lastly the first one, the Power BI Premium. There's a scalable solution, that is lastly, but almost lastly, because we have the Power BI Mobile. So the fourth version is a Power BI Premium, which is a scalable solution for enterprises with dedicated capacity. So if you want a secure collaboration and also used enterprise wide, you will need the Power BI Premium, okay, to subscribe to. Then we have the Power BI Mobile. So this one is available to view reports on smartphones and tablets. Most times, because of the sizing on the desktop, some of the reports may not be really tailored to your mobile app. So this one, you have it for mobile phone. You can view reports on the go, and it's developed for it. So that's why I described it lastly. So yes, so let's compare features and licensing of Power BI Desktop. I'm on my desktop, that's why this is opened. So if you want to install Power BI, how do you go about it? How do you see the other ones at the top, and how do you go about using them? So let's go right in. So all you need to do to get the Power BI is to go to your Microsoft Store. You can come to your Windows search bar, where you can type in your Microsoft this will call pop up Microsoft Store, app. When you click on it, you have this other apps displayed in there. You can type in Power BI, or you can actually go to your Chrome and type in www.microsoft.com, and from there you can navigate to your Microsoft Store. And now I have it in here. I can just search directly here and say Power BI. So when I say Power BI, you see that it's already suggesting Power BI desktop for me. I can go directly to that and tell it to download Power BI desktop. But I just wanted to give me all the variations we have. So you can see on Microsoft.com, it's telling me, do I need to download this? Do I need to go in there? Let's just right click this and open this in a new tab and see what the desktop entails. So this desktop is opened. You can see the pages in here. It's all detailed in here. You can see this applies to Power BI desktop and Power BI service. You can read through each of how it works, whatever you need, how to connect data, how to upload to Power BI service, and these are all write-ups on our Power BI. I can see this is familiar. That's the interface I opened. It's just detailing how to use your Power BI desktop, and you should be able to see how to download. Okay, so let's see what this one says. Okay, so this is a web dialog button. It's just how to use each of them, but we go into that in detail when we get to the next lesson. So we can open Power BI. Let's see what this is. And okay, let's come to the left hand side and I say get Power BI. When you have that in there, it's saying that I should open my Power BI. So because I've already downloaded mine, it's not suggesting. So if you want to install, you see it's giving us this to go to the product page and select download free. When you click on the product page, it should open a new page for you, and you can see where to download. Okay, that's for the desktop aspect of it. So all solved. Let's go back and see how to navigate to Power BI service. So this is the first page I clicked on. I will come in here and right click on this one and open this as well in a new tab and see where this leads me to. Cool. So this is Power BI service. So it's giving us an article how to create, share content. Please take time to go through each of them and build reports, how to create accounts. It's all detailed. What is Power BI? What is Power BI service? Let's see what it is. You can see what we said about the creator and developer licenses for Power BI. A lot of write-up in there comparing each of the fabrics, step by step comparison. It's amazing. Full data design and stuff like that. It's all on this website. Okay, so how to get around Power BI service is also available, and how you sign up for free for trial. You read the basic, and you have the Microsoft accounts created, and all the work around everything is detailed in here. So to go to Power BI Premium, navigate to the home page as well and read through each of them, and you have a lot to consume on top. So when you click and download, you'll be able to install Power BI desktop, and when you go through the Power BI Service Cloud page that is open in here, you can sign in with your Microsoft 365 account. If you don't have one, you have to create a free account using a work or school email, and you get around. So everything should be available on this page. And for Power BI Mobile, is available on Google Play Store and Apple App Store. So you have to search for Power BI and install for the mobile one. So yes, that's how to get around installing and using it and creating a free account. Again, you will use a work or school account for it, and everything is guided in here and how to get started. But I'm here to lead you through practically on how to use this and to make it a reality for you. And so yeah, that is it for it. So we'll be going next into the Power BI desktop or desktop interface store, and I hope to see you in the next lesson. Thank you.